It's a great day at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa. This is the 2019 Buick Enclave all-wheel drive, 3.6 liter engine, 18-inch aluminum wheels with the Goodyear all-season tires, integrated turn signals and smart key access system throughout, perforated leather seats, power driver adjustable seat with lumbar supports, memory seat and memory mirror with 2 presets, and you also have the driver blind spot information system there. So this icon will illuminate when you have somebody in your blind spot. Interior liftgate release button, it is hands-free, and electronic parking brake. Leather wrapped steering wheel here on the inside, and it is heated. And you also have the forward collision warning, another great safety feature there for you. Your hands-free calling and voice command, cruise control, headlights and turn signals, intermittent wipers including rear wipers over here on the right hand side, and full color touchscreen with AM FM, Sirius XM satellite radio, time and temperature display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto features with projection, and climate control available here on the touchscreen as well as manually down below. And it does have the rear temperature controls as well. And a great handy thing about that is you can actually lock out the temperature in that second row so your passengers can't be making you too warm or too cool. In reverse, full color rear backup camera with trajectory. At your traction control and all-wheel drive on-off. Parking sensors on-off, hazards, and your lane keep system. So if you start to drift out of your lane and into traffic, this is going to give you a heads-up alert about that. Heated and cooled seats, both driver and passenger side. And temperature controls up here. Fan speed operator, AC button, defrosters. And right here you got a place to put a device, and you can charge up with 2 USB ports and auxiliary. Cup holders below, and the precision shifter. Armrest flips up, and you've got storage space located underneath. And those perforated leather seats continue. OnStar services available to you there just above the rearview mirror. You also have your overhead lighting, sunglass storage, and right there you got your garage door openers. And you do have a push start ignition, so to turn the engine off, foot on the brake, you press this button here, the engine shuts down, and then you get that rear seat reminder. All right, going to work our way towards the rear here and check out the back profile. You've got the all-wheel drive badging in the right-hand side, dual exhaust, and you also have the rear parking sensors. And as mentioned, you have the hands-free liftgate. So you just need to make a kicky motion right under here, and that hatch is going to open up nice and wide, very conveniently. So there's a look at the storage space available to you in the back with the third row of seats currently up. And hey, great added bonus, check it out. They are power seats as well, so you can put those up and down just that easily there, just using 2 fingers. And you've got those captain's chairs there in the second row. You can fold those down just like so, giving you all kinds of options for cargo and passenger options. Tie downs, 12-volt power, and a generous amount of storage space below. And to close this hatch up, just going to press this button right here, and that lift gate's going to safely and securely snap back into position. And to get the seats to fold down here, you can just grab this tab and let them fold down. You do have pass-through seating here, but if you need a little bit more space to get into that third row, this is all you need to do. Using one hand, the other's on the camera, so very simply done, and that's going to give you nice access there to that third row split bench seat. USB ports and cup holders on both sides. And again, this is going back in position with just one hand. You also have heated seats in the rear, 2 USB ports, 3-prong power, overhead lighting, soft touch materials, wood grain trim notes, and deep tinted glass throughout. And that will complete your look at this 2019 Buick Enclave front-wheel drive. If you want to see this one in person, we are at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa, where we always do whatever it takes.